portrait of Ruth. Who has $600 for portrait of Ruth?
600.
I have $600. I have $600 here. Going once. I have $600. Going twice. Sold to the young man right there for $600.
Did you just close your purchase of Portrait of Ruth?
Yes.
Well, Mr. Collins, I have a stipulation in Ira Levinson's will I need to read.
Portrait of Ruth may not be the most valuable painting in my collection, but it was the most precious to me because it reminded me daily of my beloved Ruth.
And so the terms of my will are simple. Whoever purchases the portrait will receive the collection in its entirety.
Ladies and gentlemen, this auction is over.